Are you tired of spending endless hours chopping vegetables or struggling to cut onions without your eyes watering? What if I told you there's a simple solution to all your kitchen troubles? Presenting the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, a revolutionary 4-in-1 kitchen gadget that will make your cooking faster, easier, and so much more fun. From slicing and dicing to spiralizing veggies like a pro, this little tool will make you wonder how you ever managed without it. But like any tool, it has its pros and cons. Let's dive in and see if it's the perfect fit for your kitchen. 1. Compact yet powerful. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a game changer. With 4 interchangeable blades, you can chop onions, dice tomatoes, slice potatoes, or even create beautiful zucchini spirals in seconds. Whether it's for your sabzi, biryani, or a fresh salad, this chopper does it all effortlessly. No more struggling with uneven cuts or bulky kitchen tools. This one does everything in style. 2. Quick, easy, and hassle-free. Gone are the days of sweating over chopping boards and blunt knives. The Fullstar Chopper is designed for pure convenience. Its sturdy, ergonomic handle makes slicing and chopping feel like a breeze. Just place your vegetable, press down, and there you have it. Perfectly cut pieces every single time. And the best part? No electricity is needed. It's simple, quick, and oh so satisfying to use. 3. No more messy kitchens. Let's be honest. Chopping vegetables can be messy. Bits of food scattered everywhere, juice dripping down the counter. A nightmare, right? But with the Fullstar Chopper, that's a thing of the past. Its built-in container keeps everything clean and organized. You can chop and measure in one go without dirtying multiple utensils. Plus, when you're done, just pop it into the dishwasher. Zero mess, zero stress. But it's good to know, it requires manual effort. While it's designed to make chopping easier, you still need to apply some pressure to chop harder vegetables like carrots or potatoes. For those who prefer completely hands-off options, an electric chopper might feel more convenient. Blade sharpness needs care. The stainless steel blades are ultra-sharp for precision cuts, but they require regular cleaning and maintenance. If not handled carefully, they can pose a risk of cuts during washing or blade changes. Limited capacity. The built-in container is handy, but its capacity might feel small if you're prepping for a large family meal. You may need to empty it a few times during use, which could interrupt your flow. 4. Safety meets durability. Despite its limitations, the Fullstar Chopper isn't just efficient, it's safe and durable too. Made from high-quality, BPA-free materials, it's built to last. The stainless steel blades are razor-sharp for smooth cuts, and the included safety attachments ensure your fingers are always protected. It's a perfect blend of convenience, safety, and longevity, making it a must-have for every Indian household. Picture this, you're whipping up a delicious meal for your family, and the prep work takes just minutes. No tears, no mess, no stress, only joy in the kitchen. That's the magic of the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. While it has a few minor drawbacks, its pros far outweigh the cons, especially if you're looking for a handy tool to speed up your daily cooking. So why wait? Click the link below and bring home this amazing kitchen companion today. Because every chef deserves a little help, and trust me, this one's worth it.